All right. One more video about trouble in paradise. Okay, you can see the shade difference here? That's because that's wet and that's dry. All right, this is lime I put in down here. For about a month I've been having a smell up in my house, and I thought it was due to a bad ring, which I did replace on the toilet. I thought the toilet was leaking down here, but I replaced that, whatever, 2 weeks ago, and that's all dry. This is all dry. It's all good. A new wax ring up there, redid that, dried out the floor, did all that. Thought that was everything. I thought that was going to be it. Well, here to find out. You see that? That's my vent pipe that goes to the outside. Well, it's also part of the drain, of course. And what apparently, see that 45 and 45? So when it drains into there, that 45 prevents that from going outside and going, you know, whatever. Well, it won't go up the vertical stack outside anyway. But this fills up with water, and what's happening is, since that's split, is it's dumping the water here. I was looking and trying to find out where this was coming from, and I couldn't see it because it wasn't completely pulled apart. It was leaking around there. So project for today is see if I can clean that up and glue it back together. Yeah. So I hope you're in for a good time, because I know I'm going to have one. All right, let me find a perch for you here someplace, and I'll bring you back once I get set up in here with what I need to do. All right, bring you back. All right, first things first, I'm going to try to do my best to bring the bacteria level down on that so I don't die from fucking sepsis. Yeah. So I'll clean that up. Get the light out from underneath that so I don't get electrocuted. Trust and believe me. When you look at the bill from your plumber and you bitch about it, don't. You should reevaluate, because they do some really gnarly work. And the only reason I'm not calling a plumber is because I'm tighter than a frog's ass. I don't want to spend any money. Yeah. And I can't see paying somebody whatever they're going to charge. This would probably be a $400 job or some shit. Have them come out here. When I'm perfectly capable of doing it myself. Even if it's got to be done through gnashing of teeth and... There we go. Now that ain't going to be good enough as far as, well, I don't know if I can do this sliding downhill. Got a rock stuck in my ass. This would probably be a whole lot easier if I could use two hands, but I don't know if I can accomplish that. So I'll just keep working at it slow here, trying to get that semi Now this isn't totally a shit pipe. This is actually a gray water pipe, but still it goes. I'm smelling sewage because It works as a breather also. And there's no trap between this and the tank, so it sends all that lovely gas up here to be enjoyed. Yeah. That's what I thought. She's wet in there. Okay. Well, I'll try to dry that up. I may have to bring the heat gun down here and cook that to get it dry. If what I'm going to do isn't going to work or doesn't work. Probably should have went to the hardware store, bought some new PVC cement too, because my stuff looks like jelly. But it just worked over my mother's in August, so it should work here. What I got to do to mop up all this shit, because it's still spewing water, which I don't like. All right. Now, pretty sure, well, I don't know what plumbers do, but this is brake clean, so hope that don't catch on fire on the light. That should dry off some of the water. But this smell has been obnoxious, and I thought it was coming from the water. It was already on the floor. Like, I thought it was coming from the toilet. The toilet was leaking mildly from around the wax ring. But like I said, I got that, I got that replaced at least 3 weeks ago. And it wasn't even really running that bad. But still. But I'm still, like, catching this whiff of, you know what I mean? And I wasn't about to live with it anymore. So, no, wrong stuff. Where's it? Yeah, there's it. Okay. There we go. Yeah, see what I mean? Jelly-like. Now, I've used it jelly-like before. So, I'm not liking that. That even stick into there? Okay, it is. I'm going to do a trial run on this. If this does not work, I will go buy some fresh stuff, because this is going to get sealed if it kills me to do it. Now, can I reach around and grab that pipe? Probably can't. I can do it this way. All right. Now, let's see what happens there. just to be sure. I know this is unorthodox, but hey. Again, this is the dung heap, so let's see what happens there. I'm really kind of wanting to heat that. I really do. I should probably go get the heat gun and cook that, make sure that's in place. Or, all right, you know what? I'll bring you back and whatever. I'll give it some time to cure, see what happens. Okay, bring you back. All right. Now, I just ran some water out of the sink. Now, that just set for, I don't know, quite a while. And I ran some water out of the sink. I filled the sink up to the top and then let it run. And I don't see any water coming out of there. So it looks like I accomplished my mission. I hope so. I'll be able to tell a little better once I run the washer and that pumps out. Look what I found. Oh, look at that. All right. Treasure. That looks good to me. I'm just gonna have to be real careful with it and attach it to the outside a little better than it is attached. All right, well, I guess that's it for this one. Looks to me like I stopped the leak. Again, I'll keep an eye on it to be sure. But and I'm not smelling any noxious fumes back here, which it was loaded back here before. So I might have fixed the problem. I think I did. All right, well, I guess that's it for this. Thanks for watching.